Hello everyone, my name is Lilis Romada Butar-Butar. Today I'm going to talk about the Korean movie. The title is Parasite 2018 by Bong Joon-ho. This movie is a brilliant story that explores the difference between rich and poor families, showing the challenges of social inequality. I will discuss the synopsis, characters, and the social issues raised in the movie. Let's get started. So, Parasite tells the story of two very different families, the Kim family and the Park family. The Kim family is poor. They live in a small semi-basement apartment which is damp, dark, and crowded. They struggle to survive by taking small, low-paying jobs like folding pizza boxes. One day, Kyu, the son, gets an opportunity to work as a tutor for the Park family's daughter. But to get this job, he has to lie. He forges a university degree to make himself look qualified. Once Q gets the job, he starts to think about how his family can benefit more from the rich part. He creates a plan to get his sister, Ki-jung, hired as an art tutor for the Park family's young son. Then they work together to replace the Park family's driver with their father, Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim. And finally, they get rid of the Park family's housekeeper so their mother, Miss Kim, can take her place. At first, everything seems perfect for the Kims. They all work for the Park family without revealing that they are related. They earn good money and enjoy the luxury of the Park family's home. But one night, things take a shocking turn. The old housekeeper Moon Guang returns to the house. She reveals that their husband has been secretly living in the Park family's basement for years to hide from the collectors. Wow. This creates to conflict between the Kims and Moon Guang's family. They fight to keep their secrets hidden, but the situation spirals out of control. In the end, tragedy strikes, exposing the deep gap between the rich and the poor. The stories show how society inequalities create struggles and tensions that can easily be solved. Ooh. Okay, next let's talk about the main characters in the movie. The first, the Kim family. There is a Q. The son is smart and ambitious. He dreams of escaping poverty and helping his family have a better life. And next, there is Ki-jung. The sister is creative and clever. She uses her skills to fit into the rich Park family's world. And next, there is a Mr. Kim. The father is hopeful but also skeptical. He wants to believe in a better future but knows how hard life can be. And the last, Miss Kim, the mother, is practical and protective. She is willing to take risks to support her family. The Kim family is intelligent and resourceful, but they are trapped in a poverty. Okay, and next, the Park family. There is a Mr. Park, Miss Park, Dahe, and Dasong. Mr. Park, the father, is a successful businessman. He is distant and doesn't connect with people outside outside its wealthy circle. And Miss Park, the mother, is naive and easily fooled by the Kims. She represents the innocence and in ignorance of the rich. The last, Dahe and Dasong, their children, their children live a comfortable life without understanding the struggles of the less fortunate. The Park family lives in luxury, but they are blind to the hardship of others. And the last, Moon Guang and her husband. Moon Guang, the former housekeeper, and her husband represent another layer of poverty. They live in fear and desperation, hiding from the world. The stories show how the poor often have to fight for survival in a harsh system. Okay, now let's talk about the social issues explored in the movie. So the first is social inequality. The movie showed the hook gap between the rich and the poor. The Kim family lives in a cramped semi-basement apartment, while the Park family enjoys a beautiful, spacious mansions. This difference in their living conditions symbolizes the larger divide in society. And next, exploitation. Both families exploit each other. The Kims use the Parks to improve their lives, but they are also exploit house workers. This shows how the system creates cycles of exploitations that affects everyone. And next, class struggle. The conflict between the Kims and Moon Guang's family represents how the poor are often forced to compete with each other for survival. Instead of uniting, they fight against one another while the rich remain unaffected. And next, the myth of hard work. The movie challenges the idea that hard work leads to success. The Kim family is smart and hardworking, but they can escape poverty because of the system barriers. And the last, privilege and ignorance. The Park family's privilege makes them unaware of the struggle faced by the Kims and Moon Guang. For example, Miss Park doesn't realize how much her employees sacrifice to serve her family. Next, symbolism in the movie. Parasite uses strong symbols to tell its story. The semi-basement, the Kim family's home is partially underground, symbolizing their place in society stuck between hope and poverty. And next, the basement. The hidden basement in the Park family's house represents the hidden struggle of the poor, often ignored by the wealthy. And next, the flood. When a rainstorm floods the Kim family's home, it shows how natural disaster affect the poor more than the rich. For the Parks, the rain is just a minor inconvenience. And the last, the smell. The Parks often comment on the Kim smell, symbolizing the invisible barriers between the classes. Okay, I will explain the conclusion. So, Parasite is more than just a movie. It's a powerful story that shows the realities of social inequality and the struggles of different classes. Through its characters, story and symbols, it makes us think about the system that divide people and the challenge faced by the less fortunate. Bong Joon-ho masterpiece is emotional, though provoking and unforgettable. It's movie that stays with you long after you watch it. Wow. Okay guys, thank you for listening. I hope this explanation helps you understand Parasite and its deeper meaning. Okay, bye bye. See you.